Trinity has been the school for me because of the support and sense of community that we have here at the college. I started my Trinity journey back in Year 4 in 2018, and ever since then, the amount of unwavering countless support that I've received all leads back to the amazing set of staff that we have and had here over my time. Some of these teachers I have known since junior school, like Mr. O'Malley, who was my Year 6 teacher and is someone who set a foundation for me to smoothly transition from junior school to high school. Some of these teachers I have known since high school, like Mr. Miskovich, who was my head of year and is someone who I know I can go to at any moment in time if I need help with anything. Mrs. Hughes and Mr. Kerner are two very important teachers to me because without these two teachers, I would not be able to be doing the things that I do here now at the college and outside of school as well. An example of this is that they both highly encouraged me to do electrical work experience, which is something I love doing now and is something that will help me once I leave school to pursue a career in becoming an electrician. Trinity has such a distinct sense of being one big community and being accepting with open arms no matter who you are. The camaraderie and getting around each other, no matter if it's a sporting field, the classroom, around the school, from the junior school to the high school, to the people that work behind the scenes that make this school run so smoothly and function the way it does, has such a positive ripple effect on everyone, and is a privilege that only the students that come to Trinity receive, and leaves an imprint on everyone in the Trinity community that they will carry for the rest of their lives. And that's my why.